and sit down.
The light and thin MSI GS63VR 7RG Stealth Pro is no stranger to us. We have already reviewed two sibling models, the GS63VR 6RF16H22, 6700HQ, GTX 1060, and the GS63VR 7RF228US, 7700HQ. GTX 1060. A review device comes equipped with a quad-core Kaby Lake processor and a GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q GPU. Therefore, the laptop should be more powerful than its siblings. The competitors of the device include the Gigabyte Aero 15X, the Eurocom Q5 and the Asus Zephyrus GX501VS. Because the three GS63VR models are identically built, we will skip over the case, the interface, the input devices and the speakers. You can find the missing information in the reviews of the GS63VR 6RF16H22 and the GS63VR 7RF228US. Some changes have been made to the SD card reader. While the SD card readers of the predecessors were connected via USB 2.0 and, as a result, offered very slow transfer rates, with our current device the SD card reader is connected through SATA. Therefore, the transfer speeds are significantly increased. When copying large chunks of data, a maximum transfer speed of 204 MBs was achieved. The transfer of 250 JPG image files was completed with a transfer speed of 181 MBs. We test the SD card reader by means of a reference SD card, Toshiba Xperia Pro SD XC64 GB UHSII. While both of the previously reviewed sibling models of the GS63VR came with IPS screens, our current review device utilizes a 120Hz TN panel. It offers much better response times than the IPS models. The matte 15.6-inch display operates with a native resolution of 1920x1080. The contrast ratio, 1281:1, is in good order. The brightness, 254 CDM raised to the power of 2, leaves a lot to be desired. A €2,300, $2,740, notebook should offer a brightness of at least 300 CDM raised to the power of 2. Unfortunately, at 25% brightness and below, the screen exhibits PWM flickering with a frequency of 25,510 Hz. Because of such a high frequency, even susceptible individuals should not experience any adverse effects like headaches and eye strain. Right out of the box, the color reproduction of the display is in very good order. With a Delta 2000 color deviation of 3, it almost manages to hit the target value, Delta lower than 3. Furthermore, the display does not suffer from a bluish cast. By means of calibration, the color reproduction can be further improved. After calibration, the Delta drops to 1.74. In addition, a more balanced representation of the grayscale has also been achieved. Positive, the display covers 100% of the sRGB color space. However, it is only able to cover 77% of the Adobe RGB color space. We conducted our measurements with the sRGB profile selected in the True Color application. By means of our color profile, the color reproduction can be improved. However, before downloading it, you should make sure that your laptop is the same display model, manufacturer plus model number, as a review device, because otherwise your color profile can result in worse color reproduction. Displays from different manufacturers can often be found within notebooks from the same model range.